Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous video, we have learned about the sentences containing cause and effect. We have also learned that there are many kinds of cause and effect connectors. Now, in this video, we will focus more on those two kinds of cause and effect connectors, which are so blah 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 that and such blah 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 that. But first, let's check the following dialogue out.
I'm so broke that I really need to find a job.
So do I. Do you see anything good listed on the internet?
How about this? A sales executive to sell used vehicles.
Like motorcycles and cars? No thanks. And anyway, I'm such a bad person in persuading people that I'm not good at selling things.
Well, I am. I might check that one out. Oh, here's one for you. An assistant entertainment director on a cruise ship.
That sounds like fun. I like traveling and I've never been on a cruise ship. It will be such an exciting job that I'm looking forward to know it further.
It says here that the job requires such long working hours that you will have to work every day while the ship is at sea.
That's okay. I don't mind working long hours if the pay is good. What's the phone number?
It's 02254033533.
In the dialogue, we can see that there are sentences containing so blah 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 that as the cause and effect connectors. Here are the sentences. I'm so broke that I really need to find a job. I'm such a bad person in persuading people that I'm not good at selling things. It will be such an exciting job that I'm looking forward to knowing it further. The job requires such a long working hours that you will have to work every day while the ship is at sea. Moreover, the connector such blah 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 that can be seen in the following sentences. Both connectors are used to connect the cause and effect in sentences. Now, how to differentiate the use of so blah 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 that and such blah 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 that in sentence? Notice the highlighted words and try to think about the difference. Have you found the answer? The difference between them is that so is placed before a modifier, adjective or adverb, to intensify its quality or manner. The meteor storm was so beautiful that we watched it all night. The meteor storm passed so quickly that it went by in 1 week. Meanwhile, we can see that such is placed before a modifier and noun to intensify the quality of the modifier. Not only is such placed before noun, but also it is placed before noun phrase. You may click the link above for more explanation about noun and noun phrase. To deeply understand about those connectors, let's take a look at the following examples. Please notice the comma and the highlighted words. It was such a beautiful meteor storm that we watched it all night. It was such a quick meteor storm that it passed by in 1 week. Moreover, the words in blue highlighter are the adjective or adverb, and the ones in green highlighter are the noun or noun phrase. That was all about the cause and effect using so blah 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 that and such blah 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 that. Hope that you find it useful. Thank you for watching. And if you want to know more things, stay on Know More because Know More is for you who wants to know more. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.